Hi students, welcome to the class 2 on trigonometry. In this class, I would like to bring measurements of angles. After completion of introduction of angles and importance of angles, I would like to bring measurements of angles. In general, we have two types of measurements. We study about two types of measurements. Even though more than two are there, but I will discuss only two types of measurements. First one is degree measurements. You can see here degree measurement. Degree measurement. This is the basic measurement system in angles. Everyone knows about complete revolution. One complete revolution, that means one full circle, one complete round. One complete round is divided into 360 units. That means 360 parts, and each one is known as 1 degree, and each unit is known as 1 degree. So 360 parts, and each one is known as 1 degree. Notation for degree is 1 super suffix circle. This is symbol for 1 degree. 1 degree. So one complete round will give us 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So 360 degrees will be equals to one complete round. One complete round. 180 degrees means half of the round. Half of the round. 90 degrees means 1/4 of the circular part. 1/4 of the round. Again further. So further, we know that we measure the time in hours, minutes, and seconds, like 5 hours or 20 minutes and 15 seconds, like. So this is the usual system we use to measure the time. In the same way, we divide 1 degree into further 60 minutes. 1 degree we divide into 60 minutes, 60 parts we can say, and each part is known as 1 minute. 1 minute. So 1 degree is equals to 60 parts, and each part is called 1 minute. That means 1 minute is equal 1 by 60th part. 1 by 60th part. To convert minutes into degrees, you have to multiply with this number 1 by 60th part. 1 by 60th part. Example 15 minutes are given. 15 minutes mean 15 into 1 by 60. 15 minutes 15 into 1 by 60. So 4 times I can rule out here. So which is nothing but 1 by 4th degree. 1 by 4th degree, or if you convert a decimal system, 0.25 degrees. So 0.25 we can write 1 by 4th degree. So which is nothing but 15 minutes. Vice versa. Degrees into minutes and minutes into degrees. Further, 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts, and each part is known as 1 second. 1 second. So 1 minute, 60 seconds. So 1 second is nothing but 1 by 60th part, 1 by 60th minute. So this is known as DMS measure. DMS measure. Degrees, minutes, and second. Short form. So this is one of the way to remember, like it comes in the brain mapping. So degrees, measure, minutes, and degree measure system, degrees, minutes, and seconds are there. So let me clarify by giving one example. Convert 30 degrees and 40 minutes into degrees. 40 minutes into degrees. Already this is already known in terms of degree. This part we need to convert into minutes. So as you know that 1 degree will be equals to 60 minutes. So 1 minute will be nothing but 1 by 60th degree. So 30 degrees plus 40 into multiply with 1 upon 60. 1 upon 60, you're getting fractional values. 30 plus 1 by 3, 2 times, and here 3 times, 2 by 3. So usual multiplication, 3 into 30 plus 2. 3 into LCM here. So 3 is the LCM here, and 90 plus 2. So 92 by 3 degrees I am getting here. So this is the way you can convert completely in terms of degree, It's the same thing if I want to convert 92 by 3 into degrees and minutes, means 93 means 30 minutes here. 30 minutes plus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 degrees order, 30 minutes here. So this is nothing but 30 plus 2 by 3 into 60 or to multiply. So that means 20 times here. So 30 degrees and 40 seconds I got. Vice versa relation you can understand. Vice versa relation you can understand here. And so write the given 30 degrees, 20 minutes and 40 seconds into degrees. So this is given as a homework. Another thing is 47.31. This is question number 2. Already solution is given to you. And this is question number 3. Already given to you. 47.31. 47 plus 0.31. So this part I am converting into completed. So 31 into 60. 31 into 60 here. I think I'm converting degrees, completed degrees into minutes and seconds here. Already this is completed degrees part is done. Remaining part 31 into 60. What I'm getting 18.6 I'm getting here. That means 18 minutes done here. Again separating. From this I'm separating minutes part. 18 minutes completed and 0.6 left here. Again 0.6 you're multiplying with the 60 here. What I'm getting 36 I'm getting. So it comes under minutes here. So 47 degrees, 18 minutes and 36 seconds. In the same way, you can convert 60 degrees, 35 minutes and 15 seconds into degrees, fully in terms of degrees. So this is my class number 2 on measurements of angles. Degree measure completed. In the next class, I will discuss about radian measure.